Check out some of these homes from the aerial view above, and then maybe see if you can find which ones might have the same floor plan by looking at the roof design. Some of them will also be reverse floor plans. And if that isn't enough, at least you get to spy on some of these people and see what's going on in their backyards. So sit back and enjoy the show, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed watching the video. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.